And this is the second part of Station 6, Unit 4, Workplaces. So I've already went over in the first video the expectations, the team captain list, the fact that I'm not assigning daily stations. You as a team can decide which center to go to, but that is the center you are required to stay at and work the entire time. And the Wheel of Names. And you will have a video posted right here about the multiplication battle. And now the video for the product game will be posted right here. And we've played this one before. In order to get to it, you click and then it opens up right here. Directions are on the first page. And the next page, notice the sheets of paper. It's either at the top or it's at the bottom. The next page is where you put your thinking. So let's look at the directions. So team captains are going to have to decide how to break your team into two groups, okay? You can do boys, girls, or you can break it up however you want. Doesn't matter to me. You're welcome to write names out beside so that you know who is on whose team too. So here's how you play. Player 1 chooses a factor. These are the factors. These are the products. Remember, the product is the answer to a multiplication equation. So player 1, we're going to make you blue and player 2 red, okay? So player 1 says, I would like to choose the factor 9. And they move their token to 9. Player 2 says, I would like to choose, and they choose a number. Let's say that they choose 6. And then they say, I choose 6 because 9 times 6 equals 54. So then player 2 gets to put an X over 54. There it is. Then they write 9 times 6 equals 54. We're going to play Connect 4 with this game, which is a little bit different than the directions, but you guys are used to playing Connect 4 because that's our engagement game. So now, player 1 gets to go, and they can move either one of these. So team captains use Wheel of Names and call on someone from player 1, and player 1 can say, I want to move, and they can choose the color dot they want to move. Let me look. Here you go. I'm gonna move the blue dot to the 10 because 6 times 10 has a product of 60. So they would take and they would find 60 on their board and they're going to circle it. Then they're going to write 6 times 10 equals 60. Now you're going to keep playing until someone gets 4 in a row. Team captains, please make sure you use the Wheel of Names. You're calling on everyone. And please remember that you are going to let me know in chat how your team does because it is my expectation that everyone is thinking about the math. Team captains, please feel free to ask your teammates how they knew that math fact or what strategy did you use? How did you automatically know that that was 60 or how did you automatically know that that was 54? All right, play the game together. Thank you.